Okay, so we have Douglas. Okay, let's start. Everyone, just those who can just switch on a camera, switch it for once, and let me know. RM is an online platform where students from across globe is learning online with us. RM is an online platform where students from across globe is learning online with us. These are few of our students who has done our classes, and we have got our partner center in Ghana and Nigeria. Anyone from Ghana or Nigeria? We have got our partners in Ghana and Nigeria, and we teach both hardware and software. Both is taught here. Okay, please continue, guys. Let me welcome you, our teacher. His name is Mr.
Welcome friends. Now we are continuing with the today class. Today the topic is our about multimeter. Wait a moment, guys. Wait a minute. Now you can see my both preview, main preview and side preview. So this is our multimeter which you see in the main view. This multimeter is the calling digital multimeter, fully digital multimeter, and you can see here that diode mode, buzzer mode, and ohms mode, and capacitor modes are available here. And also you can see here that our volt mode. Okay, this is our volt mode in which we are measure our mobile voltages, etc. Okay, so the important part of our multimeter is taking GR and continuity, taking GR and continuity. So we place it in GR mode. GR mode and dioda mode is same. After selecting this, we are going to GR mode. GR mode means dioda mode. You can see here clearly. Wait a moment. I think you can't see. Wait. Let me log in with my mobile. Wait a moment, guys. You need to log in with the mobile phone.
Recording in progress. Night and day.
Okay, guys, by the time the setup is done, just let me know, everyone, from which country you have joined, which country you have joined, and those who want the today class video, please drop your mobile number with country code.
IC part name is here. You can check here H9QT 1G6DN6XC132.
Let me know which country you have joined.
Switch here and check your X-rays. and we can diagnose with the name of the H name,
Hello.
like
So guys, hello. My sound is echo. Lenovo, my sound is okay. And overall, my sound is okay or not? Abdul Nafiu, Abdul. Okay, Lenovo, thank you. So here we can see that every tracks of our mobile phone have GR value. Anyway, three types of tracks are available in our mobile phone. Okay, three types of tracks are available in our mobile phone. So let me show you. If you get any problem, then you need to check GR via multimeter. We show you how you can check GR of any tracks. Okay. If you get problem in camera, you can see here, if you get problem in camera, you have tracks, many tracks in this line. Okay. Every line have GR value. Some of them are don't have GR value, and some of them are peeping from ground. How we can take GR value? For taking any GR value, we need to put red fraud we need to put red prod in the ground. Before taking GR value, we need to put red prod in the ground and black prod to the working point. We have three types of track in our mobile phone, like working, NC, and ground. Okay, so Semitic can tell you that which points are working and which one is the ground and which one is the NC. Okay, so here you can see this is a working phone, this is a working mobile. If our on-off and fingerprint not working, this is on-off and fingerprint track. Okay, here we can see that on-off and fingerprint track available. Me putting red prod in the ground, red prod in the ground, and black prod in the working track. After putting here, you can see that I am getting GR of 500, approx 600 GR me getting. Okay, if we reverse the probe, we can't get GR. Okay, in some mobile, reverse GR is also available. In some mobile, in some lines, reverse GR is also available. But our main GR is red probe in the ground. Must remember red probe in the ground and black probe in the working track. Here you can see that our working probe these are our working probe like this. Okay, you can see here that also 550, 530 GR is available. And like this, we can take all lines GR. If any line don't provide GR value, if any line don't provide GR value, okay, this line is sending me the 0.0011 value. This is not working line, this is a ground line. You can also see that if me touch both of the probes with each other, then we are getting 0.008 value. Okay. And if we get any other track like this, you can see in the multimeter 0.0098 value. That means this is the ground line. This is the ground line. Okay. This is the ground line. And also we can check like this, all of the lines that our GR value is provided or not. Here we can see that 0L. 0L means this line is not connected or maybe damaged. If we getting like this type of reading, 0L, okay, if we getting 0L, then our line is not connected or track is damaged. In this way, we can check all of the line of our mobile phone. In this way, we can check all of the line of our mobile phone. So you can see you can also see this in the hardware solution or diagram. All this line have GR value. All this line have GR value. The value of every line is providing in our schematic. Okay. Here you can also only see that this line name and from where this is coming. And also you can see here in the component name and wait a moment, diode value. You can see here in the diode value, the connector of Sanwa IC on the board in out voltage. Okay. I am opening the Sanwa connector, every connector which are installed in our mobile phones have GR value. You can see here that camera D1N1 line it have GR value approx 650, 646. Okay. And also this line have 646 GR, 653 GR. This line have all lines have GR value, and these black lines are ground. You can see here that black lines is ground and another line have value. If here 1.2 volt, there you can here you can see that 1.2 volt is coming, and also you can see AVDD line have 000 value, and DVDD line, I mean to say 2.8 volt line 5.60 value of GR value. Okay, so every line have GR, every line have GR value. By this method, we can find that any line of our mobile tracks are damaged or not. Okay, so we show you how we can take GR. If we put red probe, if we put red probe in the ground, if we put red probe in the ground and black to the working point, then we get if I want and black, then we get 0.327 GR. But GR may be vary with the multimeter company and many other factors. So plus 50 or minus 50 GR is good GR. If you have is the thematic showing that here 300 GR is available. Okay, but your multimeter showing that 250 GR is available. Then this line is not bad. Okay, because some multimeter have less GR, and some multimeter have high GR. If you get approx 400 GR, then this line is also good. Okay, so 50 or 100 GR up and down is normal. You understand, Lenovo? Other guys? Taiwo, Benjamin, Abdul, Ras, you understand? My multimeter model number is Sunshine DT17N. My multimeter model number is Sunshine DT17N. In this way, okay, Ras, you can understand? Diode mode is same as GR. Red mode to ground, black probe is working point. Yes. Red probe is ground and black probe in the working point. Wait a moment, guys. So, guys, can you hear me? Lenovo, can you hear me? Yeah, okay, thank you. So, every point, every point of every tracks of our mobile phone, have GR value. Okay. If this line is not providing GR value, then this line may be NC, or this line may be have reverse GR. This line may have reverse GR. Okay, this is also calling reverse GR. Some lines have reverse GR. So we need to, if any line not providing GR, our motherboard, then we need to check in the reverse mode. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay. I'm checking some lines of this mobile phone. Okay. I'm checking some line of this mobile phone that the lines are providing GR or not. First, we need to put the meter in diode mode. Okay. Now we put my meter in the diode mode. And now we check the GR value of this track. So this providing ground. This is also ground. Three lines of this line have ground line. This line not providing GR. Fourth number line is not providing GR to me. Okay. Then we need to check in the reverse mode. Now we put black probe in the ground and red probe to the fourth number line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this line don't have GR value in forward mode or in reverse mode. In both mode, this line don't have GR value. Okay, friends. So in this way, we can check that our line is properly working or not. If this line is disconnected also from any IC, then also GR is not providing. Then also the GR is not available in our mobile phone. Like, let me show you. Here, we can see that some lines are coming from CPU, some lines are coming from CPU, and some lines are coming from the power IC. So if we check that this line not providing GR, if this line is not providing GR, then we need to check that our CPU line is damaged or not. Okay. Then this line may be damaged, or inside the component, this component may be also damaged. Okay. This component may be also damaged. If this line is disconnected from CPU or from this component, the GR is not available here. So we always need to check GR value by our multimeter before repairing any problem. Before repairing any problem, we need to check the GR value of our mobile phone. Okay, guys? iPhone, another RAS, PC, you can understand? Only PC. Hello, RAS. You can understand? Isyaule, Ismaule. You can understand?
Yes, are they here?
Okay.
Some of us just
And
joined late,
okay.
so
No, GR value is very
we are
simple process. GR value is very
yeah.
simple process. We put red probe in the ground and black probe to the
Hello.
track. Okay. We put red probe to the ground and black probe to the uh, any track. Okay. Like SIM track, SIM tray, or any other track like our display track. And this is our B2B track, and this is our battery connector tracks. All tracks we need to check GR. If any line is disconnected from the IC, must remember one thing. If any line is disconnected from the IC, then we don't get any GR in our multimeter. These things must be remembered. Okay. In this way, we can find out that from where we get problem, from CPU or from power IC. Okay, guys. In this way, we can get GR value. Okay. And next thing is our, please come again, Taibo Benjamin. Taibo Benjamin, now I'm repeating again. Okay. GR value. By multimeter, we are getting GR value of any track. Okay. Any track, we are getting GR value from multimeter. Three types of track we have. First, working. First track is working. In working track, we have data line and voltage line. In working track, we have data line and voltage line. Okay. And second one is NC. NC line is not connected line. Okay. Sometimes this line is working as upgrade pin. In some model, this line working as upgrade pin. Okay. And this is also called by balance pin. Balance pin means if our any connector have 13 line, then company don't provide only 13 line. They are providing 14 or extra more line. Okay. They are providing extra more line for balancing the points. Okay. So here you can get NC line for balancing and upgradation. But some mobile, this line always not connected, like SIM. SIM NC line is always not connected. Third line is our minus line, ground. In working line, we always get GR. In working line, we always get GR. Like if you have 4-digit multimeter, then like 400, 500, 250, 100, like this GR you will get in any working line. If you don't get GR, then this line may disconnect from related IC. Okay. Related IC means power IC or CPU. And NC don't have GR. NC line don't have GR. And ground always providing you beep or like this type of GR, 00000. Okay. 000 means in dioda mode. Dioda mode, you can see in your multimeter, this type of symbol is available in your multimeter. This mode is calling dioda mode. In dioda mode, we are getting GR. In this process, we are need to put red probe in the ground and black probe to the working line. Okay. In working line, we get GR by this method. Now, let me show you. I'm putting my probe, red probe here and black probe on this working line. Okay, this line is ground. This line is minus because 0, and 15, 14 reading is minus continuity reading, and this line is ground. Okay, if we have working line, then we get 400 and 500 GR. You can see here that we don't get any GR from here. Okay, we are don't getting GR from here. If we don't get GR from here, then we need to check in reverse mode. Then we need to check in reverse mode. Also in reverse mode, we are don't getting any GR. Okay, so working line always provide you GR value. You can see here that we are getting 395 or 394 like this GR value. Okay. This is the method of taking any GR value of mobile phone. Now, second one is volt value. Second one is volt value. You can see in our multimeter that volt value is available. Okay. And where how many volt is coming? That is the part of schematic. That is the part of schematic. You can see here that this line telling us that camera AVDD line and 2.8 voltage is coming here. And also you can see 2.8 is written here. And also you can see that this is calling VREG, voltage regulated line 17. L17 means line 17 and 2P85 means 2.85 voltage is coming here from power management IC. Okay. All voltage lines are coming from power management IC. If you want to get voltage, then you need to put your mobile multimeter in volt mode and you need to put your multimeter in volt mode and then you get voltage. And must remember, battery and charger must connect it to the line and must on your mobile. Okay, on your mobile, then you get voltage from the volt line. Understand, guys? Kanthos Junior, Ismaile, you can understand?
Yes, we dey here.
Okay. Wait a moment, I have a call. Okay, guys. So if we need to take volt value, then we need to restart, start the phone. And if we get diode value or GR value, then we need to put our multimeter in diode mode. Okay, guys. So now we are continuing with the components. Okay.
Identify device as visible light because the firewall is in here. So we can go Google and try to type in M450. You check your edge and then 460 and to on stereo. So we need here, so we can download from your directory. Where's the download link?
Wait a moment, guys.
Just check pause your
So our first component in our mobile phone is resistance. Okay. Resistance. In schematic or in diagram, resistance is defined by R letter, R word. Okay. Resistance denoted word is R. And the symbol of resistance is look like this. And this is measured in ohms mode. This is measured in ohms mode. And the symbol of ohms is look like a headphone. You can see here in your multimeter that this symbol is available. The symbol is available or not, Taiwo Benjamin? Taiwo Benjamin, the symbol is available or not? Anya agree? PC, you have multimeter. Ismail, you have multimeter and you can see you see
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
this
we
symbol.
can.
This
Yeah,
symbol
that
is
symbol can be
for,
seen.
yes, this symbol is for measuring resistance. Okay. And in our motherboard, resistance is look like this. In our motherboard, is resistance look like this. Okay. You can see this black component Wait a moment, guys. Let me show you. You can see here that this black component is called resistance. This black component is called resistance. Okay. And from upside, this is black, and from another side, this is white. So wait, let remove this component. सर ये चलाते थे या फ्लक्चुएशन क्यों होता है?
पूरा fluctuate होता है। कितना है voltage?
नहीं सर, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं। तो वो सब भी तो करना चाहिए, सेम लाइन तो उन लोग का भी है ना। उधर में कर रहेगा फ्लक्चुएट? हाँ, लाइन कटा हुआ है क्या? So guys, you can see that this component is black from upside and white from three side. You can see this is white from this side and also white from this side. The color is different. Only upside is black and another all sides are white. Okay, you can see here. So guys, this is the symptom that we can know the how our resistance is look like. Okay, guys. So in this way, you can check that how our registers look like. Resistors are in our mobile phone three types. First, ohms resistors, only ohms resistor. Second, kilo ohms resistor. Third, mega ohms resistor.
क्लास भरने की जगह वो कॉल कीजिएगा।
हाँ,
क्लास भरने की जगह वो कॉल कर दीजिए।
15 मिनट बाकी बैठे आ रहे हैं। So you can see that the component is denoted by R. You can see here that R word is written here. And the 0721 is location number, not register value. This is not a register value. This is the location number. And we can put the number. If we put the number in our schematic, then we get all details of this resistance in the schematic. Okay. First of all, we need to copy the number. We are copying the number by pressing Ctrl C in our keypad, and then we put it into the schematic diagram. And this is the find next button. After find next, zooming the part, and you can see here that, wait a moment. I think something problem in this schematic. Okay, I think something problem in this schematic. So we need to open another schematic. Also, you can see here that resistance are defined by R word. We can find here that this is the R word component R2601. After double clicking on it, we can find it that 2601 is our resistance number, and we are copying the number from the layout and paste it to the schematic diagram. Now we can find the proper value of the register. Okay. Now we can find the proper value of the register. Here you can see that 0R written here. 0R is written here. 0R, if any schematic show you that 0R means 0 ohms. 0R means 0 ohms. Okay, 0R means 0 ohms. And if you see 10K or look like 11K or 9K, then that means 10K kilo ohms. Kilo ohms. Okay. And if you get the written is 2K or 2M or 5M, then this is mega ohms register. Mega ohms register. Okay, mega ohms register. We told you before that our register have 3 types value. Our register have 3 type value. So guys, you always jump for the register. But one thing remember, we never jump for the register. We only jump for the register from 0 ohms to 80 ohms. We only jump for the resistance from the value 0 ohms to 80 ohms. What is the need of use of register? Company using the register because they are if this is damaged, then you protect your circuit. Okay, so this is also work like a fuse. Okay, and you can only make jumper 0 to 80 ohms. 0 to 80 ohms register you can make jumper. Otherwise, you need to change all register like kilo ohms register and mega ohms register. Kilo ohms register and mega ohm register never jumper. Only change, never jumper. Mega ohms registers also never jumper. Okay. And the working of the resistance is the work of resistance. Yes, Montero. This is used to regulate current flow of voltage. Yes. So the work of resistance is now this is the design of a resistor. Okay. This is control the flow of voltage. This is always controlling the flow of voltage by its value. So if we flow here 5 volt, like 5 volt, if we flow here like 5 volt, then by its value, by kilo ohms, by mega ohms value, this resistance resist the value here and pass the rest of the voltage. Okay, like 2 volt and 3 volt, like 2 volt and 3 volt, and rest of the all volts are stopped here. So this is always controlling the flow of current. Okay. If this is damaged, then this will not provide any value. If this is damaged, not providing any value. In ohms, in kilo ohms, in mega ohms, this is not provide value. No value. If this is damaged in आधा घंटा मतलब 20 बार फोन कर चुका ड्रिल कर कुछ नहीं करे समझ नहीं Hello, guys. So now we check some resistance and get the value of the resistance. Now we put our multimeter in ohms mode. Okay, now we put our multimeter in ohms mode. This is ohms mode. Okay, first mode is ohms mode of our multimeter. So now we get the value of any resistor. Not need to remove from motherboard. Now wait for some time. This is 0 ohms resistor. This is 0 ohms resistor. If this resistor is damaged, we can make jumper. If this resistor is damaged, then we make jumper. Now check another resistance. This is also 0 ohms. Now you can see that this is 15K resistor, 14.82, that means 15K. 15K resistor. This is our 15 kilo ohms resistor. Okay, we never jumper like this type resistor. If we get kilo ohms and mega ohms resistor, then we never jumper on it. Okay, you can see here also, this is 2 kilo ohms resistor, 2.174. That means this is 2 kilo ohms resistor. Okay. This is also 0 ohms resistor. Okay, guys. In this way, we can check all types of resistor which is damaged or not. And where is the resistor? Now we can see in the schematic or in diagram. Okay, we can see this in the schematic or in diagram. Now I'm opening some lines for checking this. Where can this is not a principle of mobile. So the mobile company then he want that some lines are need to disconnect, then they put 0 ohms register. Okay, the registers are damaged, and now let me clear you. Now let me clear you. Wait a moment. This is 0 ohms register. Okay, and this is 0 ohms register, and this is came via this line. Okay, and if company want, they make this is directly. Okay, if the company want, they make this directly. Okay, but they don't make it directly. Why? If the over voltage is come here, okay, the required from the required volt over voltage come here, then this resistance is going damage and protect the related IC That's why the company put these types of 0 ohms resistance in the line. Okay, you can see here, this line is connected via IC. This line is connected with IC, and this line is also connected with the another line. Okay, this line is also connected with on another line, RxTX line. Okay, this is the RxTX line, and this is antenna line. Sometime in thundering, must remember, sometime in thundering, if you are in thunder in the rainy season, you get the thunder in many areas. And if the by thunder, the heavy voltage is input by this line, then the resistor will damage and protect your line. So that's why in many places, 0 ohms resistors are available for protecting the components. Clear? Taiwo Benjamin, clear? Okay. If you guys have any question, then ask me in chat box. And you also get mega ohms register. I mean to 1 ohm. If we type here 1 ohm, then if this mobile have 1 mega register, then this is also showing. Okay, that you can see here that 1 mega register is available here. Okay. Only 1 mega. And if we want to find the 2 mega register, then also we can type 2 ohm. Then we get if this mobile have 2 mega register, then always show the 2 mega, 2 mm, 2 mm, 2 mm, 2 mm. No, this mobile don't have 2 mega register. Okay, this mobile don't have 2 mega register. 10K register, for example. If you want to find the 10K register in your mobile phone, then you also type the 10K. You can see that 10K register is available here. Okay, 10K register is available here. And also you can track this register where is in the motherboard. You can paste it to the layout and you can see that this is installed in upside to right side to the eMMC. This is our eMMC diagram. So guys, wait a moment. Siddharth sir will continue with you. Wait a moment. जी सर हाँ रेजिस्टेंस हो गया ओके सर So guys, if you have any question, then ask me in the our another components are capacitor. Another components are capacitor, the working process of capacitor. We continue with tomorrow capacitors. How many types of capacitors are found? And next one is diode. And next one is our coil. These all are mobile component, diode, transistor, LDO, these all components are our mobile components. Okay. These are installed in our mobile phone for proper working. If you guys have any question, then ask me related GR value and another things. If you guys have any question, then ask me. In chat box. You can hear me, Benjamin. Taiwo Benjamin, you can hear me. Lenovo, you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. If you have any question, then ask me.
Okay. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, Benjamin.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Unlock tools.
Yeah, I really appreciate this class.
Unlock tool class is provided by Sajad sir. Okay. So if you want to take unlock tool class, then you need to wait or you need to join in our software classes. Okay.
Hello?
Unlock tool class is taken by Sajad sir. So if you want to take unlock tool classes, then you need to wait or you need to join our unlock tool class. Put your mobile number here. We are providing you unlock tool class.
Okay.
Okay. In the chat box, too many questions are available here. Yes, 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 yes. Wait, Montero, put your number, drop your number in the Lenovo. Drop your number for the taking unlockable classes. If you guys have any, or you want to any other taking any other classes, then you need to put your number in chat box. Please mute your mic. All guys are requested to put your mic mute. All guys are requested to put your mic in mute. Okay, guys, drop your number for taking classes. I need to get the video. Okay. The video for getting video also you need to put your number in the chat box. Please drop your number and wait for the Siddharth sir. He announced something for you. If you have any question regarding the classes and if you don't understand anything, then ask me. I am here for. Praise. Good afternoon, sir. It is possible to know the value of the register without the schematic. Yes, you need to use multimeter or you can measure it by same value motherboard. Any question? Guys, you have any question? Guys, you have any questions? Then ask me. Can faulty resistance make a mobile phone not to power? Yes, yes. Can a faulty resistance also make your mobile phone dead? Okay. I want to join the software class. Drop your number PC for software classes. Drop your number PC for software classes. Drop your number, please. Are you welcome? So please, what is the quick solution for that panel? In summary, dead panel summary quick solution is you need to check all the part, guys. You need to check all the parts for dead solution. Add Jimmy. Hmm? So wait for a moment. For a few minutes, Siddharth sir is coming here and drop your number in the chat box.
So we are Abdul, Lenovo, PC. Okay, guys, everyone, please switch on your camera and let me know from which country you have joined. And PC, I can see you have got a great setup there with you.
Yeah, I'm Benjamin from Benin.
Yeah, you have permission to unmute yourself. EGS shop. Okay. Which country you have joined? Everyone, please let me know.
I'm Benjamin from Benin Republic.
Okay. Which part? Sorry, Ghana.
Sir?
Which part? Which part you are from? Where
Benin,
you are?
Benin Republic.
Okay, okay, okay. And what about the other guy? Abdul? And what you want to learn? And what you want to learn?
I want to learn the hardware and the software. That
Okay,
will be,
great.
although I have been into I've been repairing phones, but I need more knowledge of it because I don't have in fact, I didn't have more knowledge of it, so I need more knowledge. I want to know more about it, about repairing.
Okay, I'm getting it. I'm
The
getting
hardware and the software.
it. Okay, so yeah, let me show you. We provide online classes and we have majority of students from Ghana, Nigeria, then Kenya, Uganda, like across Africa we have students. And let me
Hello?
show you. These are our the course topic for the software where you will learn all the unlocking and flashing of all type of mobiles. Okay. Also include the iPhone. And then we have the hardware class where you will learn how to use a multimeter, the motherboard layout, the components, how to diagnose a fault. All this you will come to learn to know in this. And these are few of our students who have passed from our institute already. And yes, in Nigeria, we have got a center also. So if you are looking to buy any tools, you can buy from our center in Nigeria. And we have one center in Ghana also. So anyone want to register for the course? The course fee in Nigeria currency is 52,000 naira, and in Ghana cedi is 423 Ghana currency. And today is the first day of the class. So those who want to join, you can just please share your name and mobile number, and we will add you in the class group.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, yeah.
Hello. Good afternoon. I'm called Idrus. I'm from Ghana. Today is my
Okay.
first day joining this class.
Okay, today is your first day. I can see you have got a very good setup there in Ghana.
Yeah. Yeah.
And what type of device you have there?
Well, they are multi devices. There are different kind of devices that we use here, but we're already into the business. We just want to upgrade ourselves and then have more
Oh,
skills. Exactly.
okay,
Both
okay. Yeah, I
software
can
and
see
hardware.
you have got very good setup there.
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly.
करेगा तो
Exactly.
लोग
So I
Oh,
have question. I wanted to ask, today is my first day. What time does the classes come on and what time should we be on board? Because we have other things that we do attend so that I'll know how I'll schedule myself not to meet the class.
okay. In Kenya is how much? Kenya currency. Let me check the how much in Kenya currency. So PC. So this is our friend from Ghana. His name is Muhammad Mumtaz Suleiman, and he's from Ghana and he's got great setup there. And he's learning online with us. His name is Mumtaz Suleiman from Ghana. So how many of you guys want to have setup like this?
Inshallah, you'll be more than. I'm also in Ghana, but I'm wishing to have something just as you have, Charlie. You will, inshallah. You will. Don't worry, bro. You will.
So anyone know him? Anyone know him? Anyone know him?
Yes, Muntaz is my friend. He knows me. He recommended this very site and he told me that I should join. He's a very good brother.
Okay.
He's a very
So
good
yeah,
brother. Yes.
good brother. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I can
It's just
see.
that he is in Kumasi and then I'm down north.
Okay. Great. So
Exactly.
it's so this setup to everyone, those who are in the mobile repairing this. So you can see he has got a great setup there in Ghana. So yeah, you can also join and upgrade yourself. Let me check how much it will come in the Ghana currency. So those who want to join, please drop your number and country code. In Kenya shilling, it will 5,000 Kenyan shilling. In Kenyan shilling, it is 5,000 Kenyan shilling. So those who want to join, please drop your mobile number. Abdul, Nafi, you are also from Ghana. Which part of the Ghana you are from? Tamale. Okay, Tamala. Okay, guys. So how many of you want to join this course and update yourself? How many of you want to learn the software and hardware and upgrade yourself in 2026? These are the students who have already upgraded themselves. Now it's your turn to grow your business. Idris from Ghana. Okay, so we have a lot of students from Ghana. I'm seeing a lot of students from Ghana. Okay, guys, so those who want to join, I'm sharing you the registration link.
Registration link.
देखो पेमेंट रिसीव्ड क्या चीज का बॉक्स प्लस ट्रेनिंग एक 48 भेजा Okay, guys. So those who want to join, I can share you the registration link. Those who are in Ghana, you can pay in the local. I want to start with the Lenovo. Today is the first day of the class. Lenovo, what is a good name? Sorry, Lenovo, what's a good name? Those who are in the Ghana, you can pay in the local currency. Local bank account, I will share you the bank account details. You can just pay there. It will cost you 423 Ghana cedi. Okay, I've shared the bank account of the Ghana. Those who want to join, you can pay on that number and share me the payment screenshot. My name is